You dropped my Play-Doh. Not my Play-Doh, bruh. I need that.
Play-Doh down. Play-Doh down.
Move in and take those zones. They are your life.
Alright, let's see how well this goes. I feel like...
Enemy claimed Zone B. Zone B captured.
What? The last time I met. Oh my.
Zone B lost. Together as one. I love it. Zone B captured. One after another. You captured Zone C.
What? I thought my teammate was right there, bro.
Zone C lost.
This guy isn't gonna do as good. And they grabbed heavy. That's gonna be pain. Oh, dude, no way that hits me. Res me, bitch! Oh, you had an hour to res me.
You captured Zone A.
I gotta do a whole ass bash in order to actually finish off this armor. That's just annoying.
Two for one.
Oh my god, how did I not die? Ayúdame.
Run.
This is wonderful.
Look. Oh.
Enemy claimed Zone B. You captured Zone B.
That was about time I faced the Fallen.
Strength in numbers, Guardian. Excellent.
Holy shit, reload.
To the next point. I'm coming,
Enemy
teammate.
claimed Zone C. Fight until there's nothing left.
Stop resisting.
C
Stop resisting.
Basically. I don't know where these guys are pushing from.
5 minutes remain. A strong start. Fight on.
I thought I saw you. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm gonna die to the smoke. Oh my god. My fucking swarm nade
Zone C lost.
hit my fucking. Oh wait, next point. Never mind. I'm good.
Like, no. It worked out.
Enemy claimed Zone A.
Come on, bro. No teammate. Pick me up.
Zone
Pick me
A
up.
captured.
Pick me up. Hey, chill. No. I'll fucking.
Zone A lost.
I'll end you and
Eat you.
your bloodline. Hey. No, please. I'm better.
Enemy claimed Zone B.
Better pop that fucking Night Stalker and go in that bitch.
3 minutes. You're winning. Stay strong.
Oh, he's won. Where the fuck are my teammates?
You captured Zone B.
No. We're actually gonna lose.
Damn.
Enemy claimed Zone C. You captured Zone C. Sound tactics.
Oh, dude, I'm so much better. I'm better.
They can't compare.
Zones controlled. Targets eliminated. Nice work.
Bro, I love this gun so much. It's so good.